Alright folks, back out, back in Scotland, back from my holidays. So, down the Galloway forest again. This is the first night of two night camp. I'm going to head up one of the kind of hills up the back there for a wee trek. Try to burn off some of this fat with that food I've been eating and all that beer I've been drinking. But right now, I'm standing in the centre of Lochdown Castle. So this used to be actually on the water, but they moved it over onto dry land. I think when they dammed up the Lochdown, and obviously the water level rose, so they actually lifted the whole thing stone by stone. But tonight, I'm at my new DD Hammock. So a wee thanks to DD Hammocks. There's a wee competition I entered and I managed to get the runners up place. So, won a wee hammock. So I'm going to test that out tonight, do a wee review on it. But right now, I'm going to head up. Don't know if you can see that hill away in the background there. Up that way. So I don't know how many metres it is, but a wee hike. But good for me. So, I'll bring you back once I head up that way, alright? Right, this is the start of the trail, the Craiglee trail. So we're going to head up to the top of this. Right, we're about halfway up. Lovely Scottish day, pouring the rain. But it's quite nice to get a bit of rain after 10 weeks in Scotland sunshine. But like I say, third of the way up. Bring you back once we're at the top. Right folks, we're at the top. It's pretty blustery, as you can see. I don't know if you can hear what I'm saying or not. But hey, it's pouring the rain. You just can't beat getting out. So, just trying to take a wee bit of shelter down behind these rocks. But, time for a wee refreshment. And so, it's good to be back. Lovely Scottish weather, like I just love it, love it. Right, that's us heading back down. Oh, it's pretty wild up there. That's the kind of rain died off now though. So, I head back down, get the hammock set up, get a bit of cooking done. So I'll bring you back once we're down the bottom. Oh, this is a life. You just can't beat the great outdoors. Oh, a nice wee spot. Well, I'm not staying here the night. I'm going further round. Going to one of the bigger lochs. This is quite a nice wee spot, this one. I was going to camp here the night, or hammock camp, but I've decided to go down to one of the bigger lochs. But it's just spoilt for choice on about here. Just so many stunning bits. So lucky to stay so close, only half an hour down the road. So this is further round, another one of the bigger lochs. So I'm going to camp kind of down this kind of corner. So I'll not be long before it's dark, so I better hurry up. So, just going to head down. Again, just one of the many bits of Galloway forest. Stunning place and layers. I've come in here. But like I say, it's starting to get dark. I think it's supposed to be dark in about 15 minutes. brilliantness in it. So I'll bring you back once it's been. Right, that's us. Just gonna camp down here. So I'm gonna get the hammock up. Lovely wee spot. How's that for a view? Huh? Even got my own private beach. That's what I'm talking about, that. You just can't beat that, can you? This beats sitting in the house. Absolutely superb. So I'm going to get set up before it gets dark. Right, this is the spot for tonight. Stunning. So I'm going to do a wee review tonight. I won a wee competition, won a DD hammock. I think it's the camping hammock. Got the runner up in the adventure competition. So I'd just like to say thanks to DD Hammocks for sending me the hammock. I've also got an XL camo DD tarp, so I'm going to put that over the top. So what I'm going to do right now is set it all up. This cracking location, as you can see, absolutely stunning spot. I've done a wee bit of hiking today, way up the hills, etc. So it's actually starting to get dark, so hopefully I'll get it up before it gets dark and you'll see the setup. If not, I'll bring it back in the morning. But right now, I'm going to go on with it, get set up. Alright? So, moving out the packet. So thanks again DD, really good at it. I know it was a competition, but this is a hammock. So it's the DD camping hammock, or camping hammock. It's the size 2.7 metres by 1.4 metres, olive green, 650 gram, that's the weight of it. So let's see what it's like. I don't know whether I should get the tarp up first or whether I should stick this up first. What do you think? In fact, what we'll do is we'll get the tarp up first, I think, just in case, because I don't know if it's going to rain again, so I want to try and get it up before the rain starts. Alright? Right, that's the tarp up. DD 4x4 camo. Brilliant tarp. Really is. Keeps you absolutely bone dry. As you can see, it's pretty big. It's a good size. Definitely enough space for the hammock. Plus a wee bit more. You can even, I find you can even cook under it and everything. So it really is. Great tarp. Absolutely brilliant. So now I'm going to get the hammock up. It's pitch black now. Left it a wee bit late because I did a bit of hiking and that. But we're here now. I'm under the tarp, nice and dry. So I'm going to get the hammock up now. Alright? Right, that's us set up for the night. So this is the DD camping hammock. It's pretty dark just now, so we'll get a better look at it in the morning. But looks comfy enough. So hopefully I'll get a good sleep night tonight. It's been raining for a good wee bit. In fact, it's been raining most of the day. It's kind of cleared up a couple of times. But that's my humble abode for tonight. Right, what's cooking tonight? What's cooking in Colin's kitchen tonight? Right, I've got a wee sweet and sour pork stir fry. And I've got some noodles to chuck in with that as well. And I've got a wee cup of tea, wee chocolate biscuits. Oh, tasty snacker in here. So I'll bring you back once it's cooking. Right, well I don't know about yous, but that's looking good to me. Sweet and sour pork stir fry with noodles. Oh, that's looking good. Sizzling away. Right, that's going to taste superb. Nice wee feed right in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to dig in. Oh, I almost forgot. Get your votes in now! Oh, aye. Looking good. Right, let's give it a taste test. Let's see what I'm doing. Oh, look at that. Bon appetit. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Well, got a wee fire on, just to get a bit of heat. I don't know if you can hear that rain. But it's pouring down. But there's something about that sound, isn't there? Something about that sound in the outside of your tarp. And I know that new hammock I've got is going to be comfy, so when I get into that, I know I'm going to get a good sleep. But right now, I'm going to have a wee cup of tea, a wee brew. Oh, brilliant. This is the life. Chilling like a villain. Nice wee fire going. Wee bit of heat. Lying back in the new hammock, the DD hammock. Can't beat it. So this is the setup for the night. Can't beat this, can you? Ah, bliss. Pure bliss. But, must admit, pretty pleased. Thanks again, DD Hammocks. Very good. Right, up in the morning. So, rained most of the night. But nice calm morning this morning. So, thanks again DD. Had a great sleep. So that's the DD camping hammock. And the DD extra large camo tarp, which is great. Keeps you absolutely bone dry. But like I say, lovely calm morning. Beautiful spot, really is beautiful. You can't beat that, can you? Right folks, that's me. I'm going to pack up, head up the road. No, sorry, I'm not heading up the road. I'm going for a second night's camp. So, where I'm off to tonight, I'm actually going to a beach camp tonight. So I'm meeting up with the Scottish Wanderer and Bugsy. And we're going down the Ayrshire coast. I'm going for a wee beach camp. So, wee change. Forest camp tonight. Forest camp last night. And beach camp tomorrow night. Or tonight, should I say. Should be good. So, hopefully you'll give my channel a wee like. If you subscribe, it'd be appreciated. Trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Get there, but the more the merrier. And bring you back to many more locations like this. But brilliant. Can't beat it. So, see you soon.